guys, Cream Bars, back again with another reaction video. Today we're gonna check out Stefflon Don Move. You see me? If you guys know me, you know Stefflon Don are my favorite dancer, favorite female artist. I love Stefflon Don, you see me? So we're gonna check out this. This seems to be something new. We're gonna check it out and see what's going on. Wow, Jamaican flag representing. Yo, the bad thing, yo, every time I call her phone, I be a voicemail, yo, that thing classic Jamaican, bro. Classic. The one a man can't get you, yo, I'm to that girl, I can't get her, no, be about fuck with. When I call her business, they can't get them. Ooh, ice out. Oh! What the hell is going on back there? What the hell is going on back there? That's what you call a banana split. Yo, I like how this video look, bruh. Oh, bro. I brother in this. Yeah, yo, Stefflon Don, I want to think that. Oh my God. Yo. Yo, it's bad, bro. I like how them do this video. I like how them do the video. Give me like this 80s type of vibes. 80s mixed with it. Yo. Oh my God. Stefflon Don, yeah, I move too much right now. Yeah. I feel like I get a heart attack, honest to God. I feel like I get a mini heart attack or something. Well, she ain't lying. Hey, I represent for the biggie, isn't me? While I play the record domino thing. Yo. The niggas them up on the wall and not dancing, none of the girls them in the dog. In a kitchen. Yo, this bad, bro. I like the video. The video looks sick. Not even really about the dancing and stuff like that. I really like that's the way they do the video. The video looks so creative. Yo, that shit was so funny. This nigga said, yo, I want them to know them still up on the phone. Yo, so Jamaican, bro. Sometimes when they call a business and they can't even get them, you find out what the hell them even have a phone number for. Dude, this video is so awesome. I'm not gonna lie. I like the creativity in it. Everything about it is just so creative. Not because Stefflon Don is my favorite. This song was bad. You can't deny it. This song was flames. Especially with the video. The video, take it off to a next level. I love Stefflon Don, bro. Damn, she said everybody wants her Nookie. Oof.